Hey guys, this is Tharmi from English with Stories. Without further delay, let's jump into the story. Think the situation. Once upon a time, there was a generous, compassionate person who would help anyone without asking. He would not refuse anyone who asked him for help. And even if he did not have it, he would do it no matter how hard he tried. He never expects a return for that help. One day, he was walking down an empty street. Suddenly, he saw a wallet at the street and picked it up. When he looked inside the wallet, there was no money inside. At the same time, a woman came with a policeman. Seeing him, the woman shouted, "Give me my wallet." He didn't know what to do. The policeman standing nearby treated him like a pickpocket. The street was full of arguments for a while. "Give me my wallet. I kept that money to pay my son's college fees. I am a daily wage worker. I only know how I have struggled to earn this money. Please give me my money," the woman begged him. If he took the money, he could give it back. But he didn't take the money. He had taken only an empty wallet. Knowing the condition of the woman, he thought, "Even if I take it, the money I will give her," but I didn't. Anyways, I will give my money to her, and gave the money he had to the woman and said that, "I am sorry for the inconvenience." After got the money, the woman returned home very happy. I know you are excited to hear a balanced story, but take few minutes for subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Let's continue our interesting story, friends. The police took the person to the police station for further investigation. After 2 days, the woman counted the money. She realized that she had twice as much money as she had, and she had only doubts. How could this money have come? I didn't work that much. How could it have come? She was confused. Then she decided to pay her son's college fees first, no matter what, and rushed to the college to pay the fees. While she was walking on the street, she felt someone following her. She rushed to the nearest police station to report to the police station. The woman who came out with the police looked at who was following her. It was none other than the person who did not take the money and was arrested as theft. The policeman who saw him also told the woman what had happened. "He didn't steal your money that day. Your money has already been stolen. He just picked up an empty purse in the street." Knowing the truth, the girl was worried about the person and saddened by her ignorance. That man has gone to the police station. He has been treated as a thief. He has given his money for only me. What am I going to do with this instead? She lamented. So friends, the little thing we do can benefit some people. It can be bad for some people. Doing good sometimes results in evil, so think the situations and serve.
Okay, buddies, we will see with our next story. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for Get My Stories new notifications. Have a good day.